Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix watch time not showing in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. From your YouTube Studio dashboard, click Analytics in the left sidebar to open your channel analytics page. Hover over the watch time hours metric and a tooltip appears explaining that it shows estimated total hours of viewing time of your content from your audience. Click the drop-down arrow next to Last 28 days and select Last 365 days to see watch time data over a longer period. Click See Video Analytics at the bottom of the page to view watch time for individual videos, and the Video Analytics screen loads showing detailed metrics. Hover over watch time hours again and the tooltip now shows total watch time since the video was published, giving you the specific data for that individual video. If your watch time still isn't showing, try filtering your analytics by content type like videos, shorts, or live streams to see where your watch time is generating. Watch time can take up to 48 hours to update after views come in, so if you've just uploaded or promoted a video, check back the next day. You can switch between channel-wide watch time and individual video watch time by toggling between the analytics overview and the video-specific view, and that's how to fix watch time not showing in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.